What is up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're here on San Gabriel Valley with our buddy Will, and we'll see about doing some kind of torque test. He has a Super73 S2. He's upgraded his firmware. I have not on my RX because honestly I lost interest since like 6 months ago. They've been talking about it for like over a year now, and I lost interest 7 months ago, to be honest. But my buddy is real happy about his torque test. I mean, torque upgrade. So we'll see what kind of comparisons we get. You got a lot of guts. Driving around San Gabriel area. I'm afraid of Asian drivers. Have you experienced?
I try not to pick like really bad streets to ride on. I mean, in general, even when I'd ride my road bicycle, I would always pick the best streets to ride on. Okay.
Well, do you know the best street to get to the pet conservation?
Not here. I mean, I would have gone up to Huntington and taken Huntington because you get 5 feet of space on the side, which is what you want when you're cycling.
Right. I'm just going where Google says it's bike friendly.
Yeah, I know. I mean, that's the thing. You're exploring, right? So I
don't even see a bike lane here. Like, how is this bike friendly? Yeah. But at least traffic is good. Here we go. Max throttle. Finally. I don't really like street riding on the Super73 so much. It doesn't feel safe, especially not in San Gabriel area, in my opinion. Not if there's just 2 of you, you know? Gotta do a group ride. Let's do the torque test that you love so much.
So much heavier though.
Well, what do you weigh again?
I'm 222 right now.
Oh yeah.
I have like an extra battery on me.
Yeah, 222. So you have at least. So let's say you're at 230. I'm at I'm at 160. Yeah, you're 70 pounds.
Yeah.
But yeah, I want to see it for the video, and I want to also like. Well, we'll trade 2.
Okay.
Maybe it'll make a difference. But there's people right now, so let's wait a little bit. All right, Will. Here to that sign. Cool.
That sign, alright, you're gonna burn me to do it.
Yeah, you could pedal. I don't. I think you need a handicap. You're heavy. You're 70 pounds.
Right.
So on go. Oh, if you lose, you have to buy this bike. Okay, on go.
Right.
Ready, set, go. Oh, you got it. What? He's a 70 pounder. He's 70 pounds heavier. He's got the torque update on the S2. I have the RX, and he's got it. I wonder if it's the pedaling. We were like for sure that I really thought I was gonna win this one, but no, he's got that one. I really thought I was gonna win that one. And this time, do not pedal, yeah?
Okay.
Do you think the pedal helped?
Yeah.
It felt like it helped?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, no pedaling. And then you see that last pole before the uphill?
Okay.
Okay, we'll go there. Okay.
Alright.
Ready, set, go. Okay, bye, Will. Oh, you're there. No, you're not. You gotta buy this bike. Alright, well, that's it's the weight difference for sure. It's the weight difference. Alright. Can I give yours a try? Yeah. Here. So you get to feel the RX. I don't know if you've ever tried the RX.
I haven't.
Okay. I hope you like it. I really want to sell it to you. Your girl needs a ride, man.
Oh, you dropped the bars too?
No. Stop.
The bars it comes with?
Yeah.
Oh, really? That's cool.
It is adjustable, like, you know, like how you want to position it.
Oh wow, the suspension is a lot nicer.
What do you think wins this one? Because I'm lighter now. I think I'm lighter. Yeah, I should be lighter.
Yeah.
I have more torque. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out.
Yeah.
What do you think? That thing over there?
Okay.
But downhill, you might be a little faster. I don't know.
Let's just go further down.
Okay. Let's go down. Your bike feels long for... I don't know. Doesn't feel like an S2. Oh, it's because your seat is higher, way higher than normal.
This bike feels a lot smaller.
You're right, yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like, why does this feel big? Because of the seat or something?
I think because of the seat.
Is this a DIY rack?
It's yeah, from Etsy.
Oh, how much was this?
This one was 110 or 120.
Uh-huh.
They sell
that's cool.
Like an aluminum colored one for 80.
And they're marketing it for Super 73?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, and your seat is just taller.
Yeah.
It does feel like a tall bike. All right, so here to I don't know, just before we're going uphill. Yeah?
Okay, sure.
Just throttle? All right. On go. Ready, set, go. Oh, I do feel your torque. Yeah, this is the torque update. He's gone. He is 15 feet behind. And he's way further. Yeah, this race is over. He's gone. Interesting. Well, now maybe I want to torque. I mean, maybe I want to do maybe it is worth it.
The torque update?
Yeah, the torque update.
Yeah?
Yeah? Huh. It's just that I don't really bother. I don't care that much.
No, yeah, I saw you just pass.
I'll take you. There's some brake spots here. All right, riding Will's bike for now. What's your top speed now, though? It's
still the same.
It's still the same. Okay, yeah. But you initially had an issue?
I thought I did, but then I just realized it's like it only gets up to 32 if it's on a slight downhill.
Slight downhill.
Slightest downhill and it'll reach 32.
Yeah.
I ran it to like 34 or something like that.
Okay, so but I'm saying on flat, what are you getting?
28, 29, I think.
On really?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
So it doesn't go to 32 miles anymore. 32 miles per hour.
I don't remember. It's hard to tell because it's hard to see, where the downhills are.
Okay, let me try right now then. Yeah. Let me try. Let's try to see if it goes to, because it's pretty flat. Let's see if it goes to 32 miles per hour. 19, 21, 23, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, just about 31. So that's kind of normal, and yeah, I guess it's worth it. He does have a Ranger pack, so his bike is a little heavier than normal, but it went up to 31 miles per hour. So
31?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's normal, because I'm reading some people are losing some kind of miles per hour with the torque update, but I don't think that's the case on this one. Alrighty, folks, that's going to be in today's quick vlog about the torque update. If you're considering upgrading your firmware, my buddy Will can definitely vouch that it is worth it and there are no issues, at least not on his part. For me, I don't really street ride enough. It's not really, I'm actually selling this bike, so I don't really care to update it in terms of the firmware. But if you're considering it, seems like it's pretty reliable and and smooth and seamless. Just get your phone and update the firmware. That's going to be in today's quick vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 Ariel e-bikes or your DIY bafang kits. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.